welcome to Fixing Assets, and this is going to be the first video on the Marina. Trying the crap microphone out again. Yes, so a couple of weeks ago I went to have a look at the Marina, do a few videos on just looking at what bodywork needs to be done. Voiceover Ian's just going to cut to that now, so take it away. Alright, this is the Marina. Put a finger in the corner. Rolled it out the garage so I could have a good look at the bodywork. Now the wings are good, the door bottom's good there, but the sill has been removed. Oh dear, who's done that? Last person to do some restoration on it has. But all the welding that's been done in the previous restoration, I'm pointing out a little hole in the floor, a couple of little bits in the floor need doing, a little bit on that inner sill, and cut a bit more of the outer sill out and put one of the new sills on. As you can see, I've got one there. Now I'll put it on so you can actually see it. You see it's actually a remarkably good fit. However, the one I've got seems a bit short. However, I do have this second sill from a Marina Coupe, or Coupe as it's written on. Now these are the wheel arches, and the end of the sill, you can see the wheel arches does act well. It looks solid. It's probably not, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get at it. You can see the bottom end of it looks a bit rough, so I'm going to replace it anyway. It looks like it's bodge in that corner there, but the replacement panel comes with that part. Now this is the boot, holier than thou. That's basically next to where that quarter panel was we were just looking at, and you see it's gone in both places. Now because it's a relatively easy curve to do and it's part of the repair panel, you can see there, then I'm just going to replace that rather than worry about it too much. But generally speaking, the car's solid apart from a few places like that. The rear end's got a couple of holes in, as you can see. I've got new valance for it because it's gone in a couple of places. That's a fuel tank, but yeah, it's a bit frilly there, but I've got a new valance to go on. And then this is the other wheel arch, which does look like it's seen better days, but as I said, this is the side where I actually need to source a new panel, because I've got two for the left hand side but none for the right. Now the right hand side has had a new sill fitted as well, and it's been fitted very well, and as you can see the wings are both brand new. Now this is the engine bay. Look, apart from a little bit frilliness on the scuttle, it's actually quite solid. It's had a new front panel fitted, and the engine looks relatively reasonable. And you can see there's some oil in it. Oily. Don't know how old it is, but I would assume it's been in at the longest 2015 because it was MOT'd sometime back then. And the radiator's there and the expansion tank for it's in the car. The engine mounts are there. You see this is the front panel, which looks good until you get to this quarter where it's just sort of disappeared. Yeah, so there's a fair bit of bodywork to do, which, to be fair, in the grand scheme of things, isn't as bad as it could have been because someone's obviously started, and it's been a heck of a hefty project. And I've got two front wings that are brand new. So yeah, the only thing I've got to source is metalwork wise anyway, is the other wheel arch, which is available from the Marina Owners Club. So yeah, why am I recording a video about a Marina in a Morris Minor? Well, I'm on my way to see if I can do anything with the engine on the Marina. I'm going to have a look at the what's there, see if there's anything I need. I've got the carb. I've got about a million distributors for the bloody thing. I'm just going to see if I can get the damn thing running, or see if it will be in a state where it will run given power and fuel. Now here we are, engine bay again. There's the distributor. It's got a vacuum vents on, which isn't what came out of the car. There's still oil in it like there was a couple of weeks ago. That's an advantage. And you see there's no carb. So I wonder what we've got to do. Could it be fit the carb and put a different distributor in? Well, here's the carb. Got the new carb in. It's not been tested. It's not even new. It's the original one from the car. And then the next thing I've done is I've put all the HT leads on, put the other distributor on that came out of the car, and it's going to be given a go to start. In fact, no it isn't, because I want to make sure it turns over. Now this is what you call the look for the keys challenge. There they are in the boot. So we'll get in the car and we'll see if it cranks over. Does it crank over? Does it bollocks? The battery's duff.
Say the battery's flat.
And then, of course, the Morris Minor thing broke, so that stopped play. So anyway, next day, with a different car and all the same tools, having a check of the battery. For some reason, even though it was charging all the time overnight, it's now reading 9 volts. Oh, it's gone up to 12. Thank you very much, battery. We'll give that a go. Very nice of you.
Yeah, it's up to 12 again.
So it's quite possible that we can turn the car engine over now. Maybe not. Try the jump pack. Bit better luck. Try the different distributor. Is the spark. Well, I'll try it again. Is the spark. Apparently there was this time, so we'll put some fuel in finally. Guess what happened? Now
press the boost button.
so yeah, that was a success. I wasn't expecting to be that successful, but it just started and it ran. It wanted to run. I just guesstimated where the distributor needed to go, and it ran. So I'm going to be moving the car to get the welding done shortly, but at least I know now there isn't going to be something in the back of my mind saying, am I going to be doing all of this and then have a crap engine that doesn't run? No, the engine runs. I'm happy the engine runs. We know what we need to do to get it perfect. We need new battery, because I was running off the jump pack, distributor, because the original one needed a fair bit of work. It wouldn't, well, put it like this, it wouldn't work. I think the new set of points and condenser would have worked, but it wasn't doing what it needed to. There's a rubber seal perished on the outlet of the float bowl on the carb, which is a 2-minute job, and I think I did that when I was doing work on the Morris sometime recently, on the other Morris that is. So I haven't got that doubt in the back of my mind with regards to that. However, it will still need to be driven, and if we drive it, we'll find out how good it is. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you want to watch more Marina videos or more Beetle videos, because there's going to be Beetle videos as well. But the idea with that series is putting the finishing touches on a restoration, and it isn't ready for us putting the finishing touches on yet. So I'll speak to you later.